If you want to change the color of a shape in LibreOffice Draw, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process so you can change any shape color in just a few clicks. This is perfect whether you're making a presentation, designing a diagram, or just trying to make your page look more professional. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, look at the left side under the Create section and click Draw Drawing. This will open a new LibreOffice Draw document where you can work with shapes, objects, and layouts. Now, insert a shape if you haven't already, or click to select an existing shape on the page. This is important because the fill color option only works when a shape is selected. You can choose any shape you want, such as a rectangle, circle, arrow, or custom object. After selecting the shape, look at the bottom toolbar. This is where you'll find the Fill Color dropdown. Click that dropdown to open the color palette. You'll see a range of colors available for your shape. Now simply select the color you want to use. As soon as you click a color, the selected shape color will instantly change. That means you can quickly preview different colors until you find the one that best matches your design. If you want to fine-tune your layout, you can repeat the same process for other shapes in the document. Select the next shape, open the Fill Color dropdown again, and choose a new color. This makes it really easy to create color-coded diagrams, attractive visuals, and clean-looking drawings inside LibreOffice Draw. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to change shape color in LibreOffice Draw in a simple and fast way. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.